Hello everyone, today we are meeting again to learn something new in PICTOBLOX. So what we are going to do exactly today is we are going to learn machine learning, how we can do programming in that. And in that we are going to do one simple exercise, that is we are going to see and do programming of a simple thing that if I am wearing this mask, and Toby is going to detect me and say something, and when I'm not wearing the mask, so what will be the reaction from Toby? So let's start the video, but before that I have to keep my camera off in Zoom because when I'm working in PICTOBLOX, the camera should not be on in any other application, and that is the first rule, otherwise it will not work in PICTOBLOX. So you will hear my audio till that time, and also I will show my face again when I'm using it in PICTOBLOX. So keeping jokes apart, let's see that how we can use the face detection with and without mask in PICTOBLOX. So I'm sharing my PICTOBLOX screen. So as you can already see, we have a Toby over here, and I have already written the programming for this. And if you want, if my face has to appear on the screen, I have to click on this, and then I have to click on this green flag. So Toby has already started functioning, and he is already giving me the instruction to wear the mask. So now if Toby is saying, so I have to agree with him, I have to listen to him. So I am wearing the mask. And also it's very necessary because cases have started rising in India again. So Toby, I'm wearing mask for you, okay? So I have on the mask. Oh, thank you so much, Toby, for thanking me for wearing the mask. So isn't it amazing that how this function is working? And let me show you in brief that how it works. Okay, so for that, you have to first go to the selection where you're selecting the extension, and you have to click there, and then you have to add the extension of machine learning. Okay, I've already added it. So as you can see here, I have added the extension of machine learning, and then I have written a group of programs. So when you add the extension of machine learning, basically, you will get two options. For the first time when you're doing it, you will get two options. That is create a model and load a model. So basically you have to create a model, and why and how you create it and what is the process. Let me show you. So a link will open when you click on this option, creating a model. And in that link, what usually happens is, what are the two phases that you are going to, which are the objects you want to make or you want to detect, that objects images are to be put beforehand. And due to that, the machine is able to detect the objects. So the screen is loading, and when you're doing an image project, there are different options here. You can do an image project, you can do audio project or post project. Okay, so when you're I am doing image project, so I will click on this, and this is the standard image model. So when I click on this, there are two options which you can see, class 1 and class 2. So here basically I had added mask, that is I had added images. You can see here there is an option of webcam. So through this webcam I have added images of my masked face, and on the class 2 option I had written no mask, and I had added images of my face without mask. And then the whole thing is taken into the training model, and then it is exported. So this is how the thing works. So when you come back again on the screen, you will see all this image model functions once you are done with the procedure which I mentioned. So what you will do after that is very simple. First, we will use the same thing, same code which we use always, that is when flag is clicked. And after that, you will use the model that you have to turn on when the video is visible on the screen. So video has to be visible on the screen, that is on the stage. After that, all the other functions should be in the forever block where we have made two if conditions. First if condition is if it is identified that I have worn mask, then what will the Toby say? Yeah, exactly. The Toby will say, thank you for wearing the mask. And if I'm not wearing the mask, the Toby will say, please wear your mask. So these are the two simple functions which I have included. And I have done this project. But if you want to make any other thing detectable, like if you want to make the detectability of any kind of bird or animal or any object, then that can also be done. You can upload their picture in the teaching, in the part where I showed you that where I had uploaded my picture with mask and without mask, so that Toby can detect it. And you can write the programming so accordingly in the same blocks. So that's all about machine learning and how you can detect various things, whether it is object or whether it is anything related, and then you can use it in your daily life. You can make various applications from it, and that's how this is done. So thank you for listening to me and also watching me. So that's all for today's session. Bye bye.